Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Zoya and today we are going to talk about real English at the grocery store and how to speak like a native in the supermarket.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Zoya, how are you today?
I am very good, Jack. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Zoya, do you go grocery shopping often?
Yes, I do. I usually go once or twice a week.
That sounds good. What do you usually buy?
I buy fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and bread.
Those are common grocery items.
Yes, most people buy these things regularly.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes I enjoy it when the store is not crowded.
I understand. A quiet store is more relaxing.
Exactly.
Today, we will learn useful English that people use in supermarkets.
That sounds very helpful.
Imagine you walk into a grocery store.
Okay.
What is the first thing you might say to an employee?
I might say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?"
Excellent sentence.
Thank you.
Native speakers use that sentence very often.
Yes, it is simple and polite.
Let's practice another example.
Great.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It is in aisle 5.
Very good.
Thank you.
Do you know what an aisle is?
Yes, an aisle is a long row between shelves.
Correct.
Grocery stores have many aisles.
Exactly.
Some aisles have snacks,
Some have drinks.
and some have cleaning products.
Very good.
Thank you.
Let's continue shopping.
Okay.
You are looking for apples.
I love apples.
Me too.
What would you say if you cannot find them?
I would say, excuse me, where are the apples?
Perfect.
The employee might say they are in the produce section.
Produce means fruits and vegetables.
Exactly right.
That is a useful word.
Yes, many learners hear it in supermarkets.
I agree.
Now let's talk about prices.
That is important.
Imagine you see a product.
Okay.
You want to know the price.
What can I say?
You can ask, how much is this?
Very easy.
Yes, it is simple and common.
What if there are many items?
Then you can say, how much are these?
Great tip.
Thank you.
Native speakers use these questions every day.
Absolutely.
By the way, I sometimes ask, is this on sale?
Excellent.
A sale means a lower price.
Correct.
Everyone likes a good sale.
That is true.
Jack, do you compare prices?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
It helps save money.
Exactly.
Now let's move to the dairy section.
I like milk and yogurt.
What would you ask if you cannot find yogurt?
Excuse me, where can I find yogurt?
Perfect.
Thank you.
The employee might say it is next to the milk.
Next to means beside.
Exactly.
That is another useful phrase.
Yes,
English becomes easier when we learn common phrases.
I completely agree.
Now we have fruits, vegetables, milk, and bread.
Good shopping so far.
Thank you.
Let's learn another sentence.
Sure.
Do you have this in a larger size?
That is useful.
People ask that when buying different products.
Like cereal boxes or drink bottles.
Exactly.
What if something is unavailable?
The employee may say, sorry, we are out of stock.
Out of stock means not available.
Correct.
I hear that phrase often.
Me too.
Let's teach a little grammar.
Great idea.
We say, I buy groceries every week.
Yes,
Buy is the present form.
correct.
Yesterday, I bought milk.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Buy and bought are irregular verbs.
Learners should practice them.
Definitely.
Let's give another example.
Good idea.
Today, I buy fruit.
Yesterday, I bought fruit.
Very easy.
Yes.
Now, let's go to the checkout area.
Okay.
We have all our items.
Time to pay.
Exactly.
The cashier might say, did you find everything you needed?
That is a very common question.
Yes.
You can answer, yes, thank you.
Or, no, I couldn't find the rice.
Very natural.
Then the cashier may ask, will that be cash or card?
Another common question.
How would you answer?
I will pay by card.
Great.
Or I will pay with cash.
Perfect.
Grocery shopping uses a lot of simple English.
It really does.
And these phrases are useful in real life.
Absolutely.
By the way, what is your favorite grocery item?
I really like fresh fruit.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I love chocolate.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
If you are listening right now, what is your favorite grocery item?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Definitely.
Let's learn some useful supermarket vocabulary.
Great.
Basket,
A basket is something you carry while shopping.
cart,
A cart is larger than a basket.
receipt,
A receipt shows what you bought.
discount,
A discount means a lower price.
shelf,
Products are placed on shelves.
excellent.
These words are very common.
Yes,
Let's practice pronunciation.
good idea.
Grocery,
Grocery,
receipt,
receipt,
vegetable.
vegetable.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Learning English can be fun,
I agree.
especially when we learn real-life English.
Exactly.
These conversations help people feel more confident.
That is true.
Confidence is very important.
Yes.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps the channel grow.
Thank you for your support.
Before we finish, let's review a few useful sentences.
Great idea.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
How much is this?
Is this on sale?
Do you have this in a larger size?
Did you find everything you needed?
I will pay by card.
Excellent review.
Thank you.
Today we learned many useful expressions.
Yes, we did.
We talked about shopping, prices, vocabulary, and grammar.
It was very helpful.
I had a great time today.
Me too.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned something useful.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small steps can make a big difference.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.